How to upload clips or videos on Twitch. So if you want to upload clips or videos on your Twitch, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your browser, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to just simply click on twitch.tv and make sure that you have logged into your account. Once you've logged into your account, you need to go with your profile, which will be in the top, and then go with create your dashboard. So if you've streamed previously, then the stream's VOD will be on your home screen. What you really want to do here is on the left-hand side of your screen, you'll find different options. You just need to simply click on the content. Go with the drop down. Here you will find the video producer where you'll find all of your previous VODs. Now what you can also do is upload new VODs or clips. For that, you have to be an affiliate to be able to upload clips. So if you're not a Twitch affiliate, then you won't have the upload button right here. But if you are an affiliate, you will have the upload button right on the top right corner. You just need to simply click on upload and you can select the video file that you want to upload to your channel. And that's pretty much. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks.